Hello guys, in this video we'll be looking into the unit Visualize your data with the Lightning Dashboard Builder. Let's quickly jump ahead into our hands-on challenge. Okay, and let's split our window with Trailhead Playground. So what we will be doing over in this challenge is we'll be creating an opportunity report, and once we have created a report, we're going to create a dashboard and add the report in the dashboard. Alright, first things first, let's create a new report and let's search for opportunities and start report. So let's make sure we choose the right filters. The close date is, the date is close date and range is all time. So once we have done that, let's make sure we have the fields opportunity name and owner. As you can see in the column section, we do have both of them. So let's group this by stage. So let's type in stage in add group. Alright, as you can see now the report is grouped by stages. So once we've done that, let's save our report with the name opportunity stages. So let's copy and save. Yeah, save and close. And let's paste what we have just copied. And voila. So we have finished our first part of the challenge. So to do our second part, let's create a dashboard. Let's jump into the dashboard section from more and new dashboard. Let's name our dashboard as big deals. Let's just copy and paste. I'm going to use shortcuts from next time. It's going to save some time. And let's click on create. So our dashboard has been created. Now let's add the component. Okay, so let's select the opportunity stages report, which we have just created. And so we are inside the component. So as it says, display as donut chart. So let's select a donut chart. The donut chart is the circle one. Yep, that's the one. And let's click on add. Okay, let's make sure there's nothing else and add. Alright, there's nothing else to do. So let's save our dashboard. We have completed the second part of the challenge as well. So let's check if you have done the challenge right. As you can see, this is a fairly easy challenge. However, if you have any doubts, make sure to leave your questions in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer them. Well, until then, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.